The race to replace plain old telephone service or POTS lines is intensifying. A recent survey reveals that nearly 90% of enterprises are swiftly transitioning to modern solutions to mitigate risks and reduce costs. Organizations face increasing risks as POTS lines near their end of life. Many are unaware they can replace copper lines while retaining existing safety systems, avoiding costly facility overhauls. This shift promises cost savings and enhanced compliance. Foundry's survey of senior technology decision-makers highlights a growing urgency to replace POTS lines. With 86% aware of decommissioning, 90% are actively seeking alternatives. Key drivers include rising service costs, integration issues, and reliability concerns. Security and compliance are top challenges, cited by nearly 2/3 of respondents. Network limitations and business disruption risks also loom large. To navigate these hurdles, over half are consulting IT vendors to craft tailored POTS replacement strategies. Organizations that act swiftly can avoid the rush when POTS lines are decommissioned. By choosing the right solution, they can ensure seamless integration, compliance, and significant cost savings. Our expert guidance can help tailor solutions to your specific needs, ensuring peace of mind.